In this video, I will review Allstate Drivewise review. First, open allstate.com in your web browser. Here you can see how you can save more with Drivewise with a rate based on you. Next, click on Insurance and More to check its features. Then click on Resources to see its features. Scroll down to find options like Dashboard, where you can see how much your safe driving has earned you. In Driving Insights, you can get driving insights and real-time audible alerts. In Crash Detection, you can connect with help quickly or if you are in an accident. In My Trips, you can review your driving behavior and personalize feedback. In My Challenges, you can complete safe driving challenges. In Phone Activity, see how often you use your phone behind the wheel. Scroll down to see other features. Now I am going to show you what Drivewise is. Drivewise, in the Allstate mobile application, connects you to a more personalized auto insurance rate, saving you money for your everyday safe driving. The more safely you arrive, the less you will pay. Drivewise is optional and can be added at no cost to any car insurance policy. Enrollment is quick and easy.